What is going on, y'all, and welcome back to the Average Homeowner's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through a bit of an update, but also my thoughts on using discount fertilizer off of Amazon to fertilize your grass. This product, this Greenview lawn fertilizer, the Fairway formula, was under $30 a bag on Amazon. I'm gonna link to it in the description below. You can check it out if you want after I give my review on it. If you wanna try it, it's down there. You don't, that's okay too. But I think using discount fertilizers on your lawn at the proper time, using the proper application amount and process, can be incredibly beneficial and save you a ton of money. So let's talk about this fertilizer, a little bit of information on what it does, its ratios, and how it gets applied. First off, Greenview says on their bag that you can apply this anytime turf is actively growing. Now, if you've watched my channel for any period of time or a lot of the other big channels on YouTube, you will know that it's not best to apply fertilizer during the hottest parts of the summer. You can overdo it and burn the grass, and it takes a ton of water to get it watered in effectively so that you don't actively hurt your lawn. Now, that said, if you were to apply this lightly during the summer, that would be okay, but it's averaging 100 degrees every day here in Texas, so I'm not gonna be fertilizing right now, but I put it down 2 months ago. There was a video on that, and I'm gonna show you 2 months later, 8 weeks later, how it's doing. Now, it says it can last for up to 3 months. That's awesome, that's great. Some fertilizers can, some fertilizers can't. Some you'll see drop off within 6, 7, 8 weeks. This one says 12 weeks, so we're gonna go with that. It is a 2705 blend, and it's slow release and fast release. So you're gonna get some instant nitrogen into your grass, that quick green up, but you're also gonna get a slow trickle of nitrogen for that up to 3 months. Basically, this is gonna give you a deeper green, healthier turf that reduces the amount of water it takes to get your grass to grow effectively. And a lot of people don't know this, but healthy grass actually grows slower. It doesn't grow faster. I know that doesn't make sense, but healthy grass that has its nutrients doesn't feel the need to reach and grow up as fast, especially if you're mowing Bermuda grass lower to the ground. It'll tend to creep out and vein out more and give you that good deep green golf course look. So enough about this bag. Let's go take a look at the lawn. I want to show you how well this is still working 8 weeks later. All right, so I'm about to mow, so don't be judging some of the different weeds that are in here right now. When I did that leveling project, it brought in a bunch of nut grass, and I haven't got the nut grass completely removed yet, but look at that good, even, deep green all the way across. It is one of the best fertilizers I've used, and it was absolutely the lowest cost fertilizer that I've ever bought. I bought fertilizers for $50, $60, $70 a bag. I bought slow release, I bought quick release. Nothing has done what this fertilizer's done. I mean, look how deep green this is. Look at how soft and perfect that grass is. You don't get that with a lot of fertilizers, and this one was $20 or $25 on Amazon, link in the description. But it worked on the whole yard, in areas that get a lot of water, in areas that don't get a lot of water, in the higher points up here where everything runs down. It held, I mean, it watered in quickly. You can tell that there are some areas that got too much water during the watering in process, and those didn't hold it as effectively, but I'm a huge fan. My overall thoughts are, if you're gonna use a fertilizer and you're gonna test one, I mean, try it. You don't have to use it. But if you're gonna try something and you wanna save a little money, or maybe you're just starting your lawn projects, you're not a lawn expert, you don't wanna be the lawn dad, you don't wanna be the guru, you don't wanna be Mr. Best Lawn in the neighborhood, but you want a nice lawn, that product is definitely one I would try. So my thoughts are that the Greenview Fairway Formula Fertilizer is a definite must try for any average homeowner. And like I said, the link's in the description below. I'd love for you to comment down below and let me know what fertilizer you use, if you use expensive fertilizers or discount fertilizers, and if you think that you can have a beautiful lawn using discount products with the right care and attention. As always, smash that thumbs up button if you got any value from today's video, and go ahead and click that subscribe. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one.